Welcome to Is Binance Chain Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to Binance Chain Wallet and additional resources are available in the description below. Binance Chain Wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet developed by Binance, one of the largest and most trusted exchanges in the world. It is designed for users who want to manage their assets on the Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain, BSC, offering seamless integration with Binance's ecosystem and decentralized applications, DApps. The wallet is non-custodial, meaning you control your private keys, ensuring full ownership of your digital assets. One of the key features of Binance Chain Wallet is its multi-chain support, allowing you to manage assets not only on Binance's native chains, but also on Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other networks. This flexibility is a huge advantage for users with diverse portfolios across multiple blockchains. The wallet also integrates effortlessly with decentralized exchanges, DEXs, enabling you to trade directly from the wallet and interact with BSC-based dApps without needing a third-party intermediary. In terms of security, Binance Chain Wallet uses industry-standard encryption to protect your private keys and transaction data. It also includes features like a recovery phrase and secure backup options, ensuring that you can recover your wallet if your device is lost or compromised. Additionally, the wallet supports hardware wallet integration, further enhancing its security by allowing you to store your private keys offline for extra protection. The wallet is designed with both beginners and experienced users in mind. It offers a simple, user-friendly interface, making it easy to send, receive, and manage your crypto assets. Whether you are staking tokens, trading on decentralized platforms, or exploring new dApps, Binance Chain Wallet provides a secure and efficient way to engage with the Binance ecosystem and beyond. To sum up, Binance Chain Wallet offers a robust combination of security, multi-chain support, and seamless dApp interaction, making it a solid choice for those looking to manage their crypto assets on Binance Chain and beyond. Be sure to check out the description for links and more details.